And Josh, we're glad you're back with us
Kevin.
this week.
How you doing?
Tommy, how are
Hey,
you?
Kevin. Good.
So what are you guys working on?
Well, this section of the floor right here rotted from water damage from up above.
Yeah.
All right, so we obviously have to patch this right here, and I was just talking to Josh about where he wants to cut it back, because
Okay.
we want to try to hide as much of it as we can without getting too carried away.
Yeah.
He agreed on that, and he's going to saw cut this back in here so we don't have a straight line to deal with.
Nice. All
So
right.
you're going to work with Josh on that.
Cool.
And I'm going to work on a different situation over here, and I'm going to patch it a little bit different.
Wow, look at that. That is not going to stand out, is it?
No, that's not going to sand down. So I'm going to patch this section a little different than you guys do over there.
All right, let's get to work.
All right.
What do you want to do?
What we got to do is we got to take this base off. We got to get this base and the plywood off of here. We do have the floor disappearing underneath this base, and I want to get underneath there, got all the rot out of it.
All right.
After we do that, we'll take and cut back this and start putting it back together.
Start pulling it up.
All right.
What I've done is I've made up a jig so my flooring boards will fit into it. The idea of the jig is so that I can run my router with a templating bit and a bearing on the top around the inside perimeter of the jig. The material that I will take out will be just thick enough to insert into that removal. Now that I've got this routed out, I can take the pieces that I ripped the top off and use them as veneer over the old floor. All right, the patching is done, and once the finishers come in and sand and refinish the floors, you'll never see them.
Nice. I love it.
Nice job, guys.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.